Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix. You will click here on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Netflix and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.